Hey savers, Kiki Savers here. My goal is to save you money and time. I will be showing you the sales ad for Walgreens. Sale prices are good starting Sunday, February 10th through Saturday, February 16th of 2019. I will also be highlighting 2 deals that I think are great this week at Walgreens. Currently at Walgreens, OxyClean laundry detergent, the 40 ounce, is on sale for $2.99 when you use your Walgreens card. Hey savers, I just want to highlight right now Walgreens. They have 2 deals on cereals. Just want to give you guys the heads up. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great week.